Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, sir. My name is Helen. So I'm the one that taking them for facials for today. So today is the first class. Anything else? Okay. So we have two type of facials. We have acne facials and we have normal facials. We have dermaplaning too. That dermaplaning is when you scrape the hair before your facials. So I'm about to start now. So before you start your facials, firstly you have to put head nets so that you won't put water on the customer's head. And two, you have to clean up, you have to use white towel to cover her because of the water too. And the bed sheet to be white. So everything you want to use to be has to clean because of germs or infection reaction. Some people will went to spa to do facial and say aunty ojú mi ní reaction, I have reaction on my face. Fourthly, maybe the person use another pin for you, or e use somehow sha, all those, like maybe the thing is not clean, so you can get infected from that stuff. So I'm about to start. First thing, you have to use your facial cleanser or facial cleanser wipes. So this is the wipes you have. It depends on what you have. Mi ò mọ bó ṣe máa ń tojọ́ o. Tẹ lọ gbé kámẹ́rà sí mi lójú. Mi ò mọ bó ṣe ń tojọ́ o. I no dey wear. Ah! Abeg, edit o. Tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ gbé kámẹ́rà sí mi lójú. So I'm cleaning the face so that I can clean all the dirty, because the face is dirty already and she have oil face, so I have to clean it first. So after that, your no your wash. SMS. This is max. We have wash, we have max, we have scrub, we have cleanser, we have face wipes. So I've used face wipes, so I'm going to wash it now. It's not yet time. Sorry. This is face wash. Please don't use ordinary hand to wash her face. You must be on hand gloves because of infection. Memory card. So after that, you have to clean it. Sorry. With face towel and warm water. It's not hot water, warm water. Please. Yes, I've mixed it with under air water. So after wash, you scrub. There's scrub there. It's there. Please let me to change the water. Hot water is there. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, this to the tap. Tap. I understand. That one is sitting down facials. This is lie down facials. So I'm going to show you that one too. This one you may not use towel, you can use foam. There's one foam like that, so you can use that one too. But me, I prefer towel because towel will remove everything, every dancing, every anything that is dark or anything dirty, to remove it. But that foam just is very soft, so I prefer using towel. Yes, thank you. I will explain to you. I understand. Sorry. I know. So sorry. After scrubbing, so you have to put steamer. First of all, you on it here. It has 30 minutes or 30 seconds. 30 minutes. You have 30 minutes. You have 10. So you can put it, is it that 20 or 30? And your water, if you want to put water inside this bottle, always put clean water, please. And if the water has dried today, or maybe you can see it's dirty, you have to change the water. Don't use it for any customer because germs is inside the water already. So anything you are doing about facial, you have to be clean about it. So this steamer, I will use it to steam my face so that the okay. Sorry. I don't know. Sorry. This is the mark. This is the mark. So the water will not pass there. Hope you understand. Please, you can ask me question. If you don't understand the way I'm explaining, you can ask me anything, please. Do you all understand? Do you understand? Okay. So after that, the water is coming. You can see the water is coming out from here. I don't know why this water is coming from this side again. No, it's not because of that. It's not full. The water is not full. I don't know. There's something else. Something is wrong somewhere. Or maybe she did not click it well. The water is not full. It's not supposed to be coming out from here, but it's nothing, sha. Always be careful with the steamer, please. The water can come out from the mouth and it's very hot, so that you will not damage this customer face, please. So be careful before you use it. Just on it down. Wash it very well before you use it. Just on it. That is why I on it down, so that I can know what is going on. Maybe the water is coming out from this place or not. So if it's not coming out, you are free to use. Even if it's coming out from here, you don't have a problem. And there are small steamers that you can use if you cannot afford this now to start. So after that, you have to steam it like 15 minutes. The reason why you have to steam it is to extract, so that the pain will not pain the customer. She will not feel any pains. Maybe extract, ojumi, obo, all those kind of things. No, it won't happen. If the skin is soft enough you'll be able to extract very well. So that is the reason why we are steaming the face. Hope you understand. Hope you understand the reason why you have to steam before extract. So you have to steam before extraction. Please make sure you steam it very well. And you can see that okay, this face is soft enough. You can see it's hard now. If you put pin now, you injure her. So you have to steam it first. Thank you. So after washing and scrubbing, you have to steam your face. The purpose of steaming is to make the face soft so that you can be able to extract. Then you steam the face for 15 minutes to 20 minutes before you extract. Thank you.
Ló máa jẹ́ kẹ́yìn ó máa bounce lórí yọ̀lù wọn ò ní lè gbà wọn máa fẹ́ fà máa ṣe ẹnì àìdí ẹ̀ ní ó máa bounce bíi bouncy castle. Omi
pẹ̀lú mi tún omi máa ń yọ lójú yẹn ó gba fídíò mi.
ẹyẹ tó bá sí mi.
ṣé mo kò easy kí n ṣe òkè.
tí wọ́n bá ní ẹni tí like you are one thing kò sí kò tẹ́ fẹ́ extract ẹ kàn fi towel sínú warm water kẹ́ fi clean ẹ̀ kẹ́ fi clean ẹ̀ ẹ̀yẹ ní discoloration.
Àwọn sọ yín.
No, mo ń lọ sí. I'm leaving this place now.
tó ní anything ẹ kàn fi ẹ fi towel yẹn sínú warm water kẹ́ fi clean ojú wọn dáadáa. àwọn náà fi bẹ́ẹ̀ ní kan sport náà ní.
ní kò practice èdè wà ló lè fèsì crowd wọ́n jẹ́ ìṣòro lọ ẹni tó dúró sí ní fèsì crowd ẹ̀rí àbí lọ pé méjì sí ní fèsì crowd ẹ̀ ẹ̀ sọ fún wa kọjá kọ́ mọ̀. nígbà tá à ń sọ tó ló fèsì crowd. mọ́mì ti sùn lẹ́lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ náà. ìyá ara burú. ẹ ti mẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lélẹ̀. àwọn yẹn ń gbọ́ wọn ni. mẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ó ṣe yàrá ó ti lọ máa ń bí ẹ ó ti lọ máa fi mú ilé wọn tẹ́lẹ̀ mo ti sọnù sínú gbé ọmọ ò tí mọ ilé wa méjì tó máa ń lò ìgbà ángẹ́lì
ẹ̀jẹ̀ wọlé sí ìdílé ọjọ́ ìṣẹ́ wọ́n fẹ́ bá ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kí n lò sí.
ọ̀pọ̀ èsì lọ́pọ̀tọ̀ fún ọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ èsì káàdé ìdíkà.
olùṣe ní discoloration.
wọ́n tún tọ́ yín sí. ọmọ nǹkan tẹ̀ ti sọ́ra mojú bí mi. ó yẹ kí n sọ́ra gbogbo ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn rán mi jẹ́.
ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe nù ẹbí mo ṣe nù ẹni tó bá ní white head tó ní tí kò ṣe acne anything like that so ẹ kàn fi aṣọ yẹn sínú warm water kẹ́ fi nù ó máa clean I understand.
ṣé ojú wíníwíní báyìí. Táwọn ti kiri máa ṣe wọ́n lójú orogún. Àbẹ̀wò rẹ̀.
Mo wẹ̀ tó ní ìṣọ́ra máa lè fi ìlà sí.
Èmi náà ni. Nínú èmi rẹ̀. Àjẹsà àjẹta.
Gbogbo yín lẹ fún àìsàn tó lè pa. Ó pa
So this is the final stage. Aloe vera moisturizer. So we have to moisturize it after filling the mouth. That is what I want to do.
shut up.
Then you massage it with it.
Ní kí a sẹ́ mọ̀ sí ìjọba bí àwọn apẹ́ kí lórí tó yẹ ká lórúkọ.
Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ti ṣe massage?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá ń ṣe màsáàjì gan-an.
Wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀
Ọ̀sọ́
pásítọ̀
níbẹ̀.
wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ pásítọ̀
Pé in case tàbá fẹ́ ṣe facials.
sínú.
No. So well.
But it's the same that mo gbélé already na mo màsáàjì lórí rẹ̀.
Méjì àti tán nìyẹn. Ojú ti tán.
Abẹ́rẹ́ èèyàn kan píìnì kan ti waste.
Láìla. Ẹ máa mú lẹ́lé, ẹ lọ máa tẹ̀.
Ẹ máa san owó ẹ̀kẹ́ tó mú lọ.
Is it towel? Is it towel?
Wọ́n lo ilé.